Hello, children. A very good morning to you all. Did you recognize who am I? Yes, I am your Farheen Miss, and I will be taking your GK class. So come on, without wasting your time, take out your GK book and be ready with your pencil. We will continue the chapter from where you have left. So, children, let's read today chapter 10 and page number 16. And what is today's date? 7th November 2020. So, everyone, come on, write down your date on the book. Yes, today we will learn the green wagon. What is green wagon, children? Wagon means a vehicle, and green means, yes, it is a color. So, a green vehicle. Why green? Because it is related to environment. So, today we will read all these statements which is related to our environment, how to save our environment, everything related to plants, greeneries, how to conserve energy, everything. So, that's why it is called the green wagon. We have to read all these statements and we have to say whether it is good or bad, true or false, we should do or we should not. First one is throwing plastic bags in open drains is the right way to get rid of them. No, if you will throw bags, any garbage in open drains, then it will block the drainage system and there will be lots of problems, and ultimately it will lead to water pollution and so many other problems. Okay, so throwing plastic bags in open drains is a very bad thing. So the answer will be false. So write down F over there. Next question. We must always switch off the lights and fans when we leave a room. Yes, that is a good habit, and you also used to do in your schools. Yes, so we should always switch off the lights and fans when we are not in the room. So the answer is true. Next question. Peels from vegetables and fruits can be used to make a manure. Children, what do you mean by peels? Peels मतलब छिलका. सब्जी और फ्रूट्स का जो छिलका निकलता है, जो कवर निकलता है, we used to just store and throw it in our soil and garden and mix it with them so that the soil will become more fertile. So the peels of fruits and vegetables can be used as a manure, which is good for our plants. So the answer will be true. Next question. Leaving the tap open while brushing teeth will help to save water. No, whenever you are seeing the tap is open when you are not using it, then you should close the tap. If you are using, then open the tap. While brushing the teeth, it is not necessary, it is not good to leave the tap open. So the answer is false. Write F over there. Next question. Mother is watering the plants with the water she used to wash the vegetables. So it will help to save water and also nourish the plants. Yes, it is correct. The same water which she was watering the plants, she also used to wash the vegetables. There is nothing wrong in it. She actually saved the water, which is important because we should save water. She had not wasted any water. So the answer will be true. So write T over there. Next question. The architect is placing solar panels on rooftops. It uses solar energy to generate electricity. The architect is an engineer, is a designer who designs buildings, who do constructions buildings, who give designs. So what the architect did? The architect placed the solar panels on the rooftops. What are the solar panels, children? You have read in standard 3 if you remember. Solar panels are the panels which are used, it's a kind of battery which are placed on the rooftops, which will just consume all the solar energy from the sunlight in order to generate electricity. So is there anything wrong in it? No, there is nothing wrong in using the solar panels. So the answer number 6 is true. Number 7 is storing rainwater for later use is a bad idea. Of course not. It is a good idea. We can store this rainwater for our future use, because you also know from these rainwater harvesting is done by storing this rainwater. So this answer is false because it is a good idea. It is not a bad idea. So write down F over there, false. We must plant trees and take care of them. Yes, that we do in every environmental program every year. We should always plant more and more trees. So the answer is tree. Next is your number 9. Sam is writing an essay and using only one side of the paper for it. It will help to save paper. Of course not. He should utilize both the paper. If he will only use one side, then gradually his copy will be finished very soon. He should use both the sides of the paper in order to save paper. So the answer will be false. Next and last statement of this chapter is, teacher has asked us to use cloth bags when we go to the market. This will help reduce the use of plastic. Yes, we should not use plastic bags. Rather, we should use cloth bags or paper bags when we go to the market. And nowadays, these cloth bags and paper bags are easily available. Nowadays, slowly and slowly, the plastics and polythenes are getting reduced. So, the answer is true. Here we come to the end of this chapter 10. Now, let's move to chapter 11. What is chapter 11? It is all about birds. There are so many different types of birds. But do you know they cannot fly? These birds cannot fly. These are called flightless birds, and their names are been unscrambled. We have to scramble it. Okay? We have to make their spelling correct. First one, as you can see the picture, is a penguin. Yes, you guessed it correct. What is the spelling of penguin? Penguin. Penguin. Next is a bird which is found in New Zealand, and it is a brown color bird. What is that? Weka. Weka. I know this is a new term for you. It's a bird, brown color bird found in New Zealand. Weka. Next is another small, cute, tiny bird, and it is also found in New Zealand, and you are also acquainted with this name. Why? Because from this name there is a yummy fruit. Yes, it is kiwi. 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 Next is a bird which is the fastest runner, the very largest and heaviest bird, and it runs up to 70 kilometers per hour. Yes, you guessed it correct. It is ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Number 5 is a bird which looks like a owl parrot, and it is also found in New Zealand. This bird is a bird which also remains awake at night, active at night like the owls. What is this bird? Its name is kakapo. Kakapo. This is also a new term for you children. Kakapo. Kakapo. Number 6 is a bird which is also a new term for you, new bird for you, and it is also found in New Zealand. It is a flightless bird, and the name is takahe. 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 Okay? Number 7 is a bird which looks like emu, which looks like ostrich, and it is found in northeastern Australia. It is a bird called cassowary. CASS. It is double S O then W, then ARY. कैसो? Worry. Okay. Last is a bird which is also a kind of duck, but not exactly duck. It is a kind of duck which is found in South America in Chile, and its name is, this is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. But what is this? This is steamer duck, S-T-E-A-M-E-R, steamer duck. So write down STEAMERDUCK, steamer duck. You should not leave this space while writing. I'm sorry, because I'm doing the video and I'm writing. So you have to write in very beautiful handwriting. Okay? Let's learn another new chapter, that is chapter 12. Your page number 12 is all about the birds and what they eat. Number 1 is your sparrow. You have seen a sparrow, a very cute little bird. What does a sparrow eat? Yes, a sparrow eats a seed. So, the sparrow eats the seed. Next is a bird that is called a flycatcher. Now, children, don't think that flycatcher will eat the flies. Flycatcher eats fruit. Answer is fruit. Another bird is your hummingbird. It's a very small bird, hummingbird, and it sucks the nectar from the flower. Hummingbird, it sucks the nectar from the flower. Yes. Next is your warbler. Warbler is a new bird for you. You might have not heard this before. This bird eats the insects. Next is a bird called robin. Robin is a bird which eats the worms. So, what did you thought? Which Robin? Robin Hood Pandey Dabang? No, Robin is a bird which eats the worms. Next bird is your kingfisher. As the name says, kingfisher, and you are very familiar with this term kingfisher. You know this bird. Kingfisher eats the fish. Seventh one is your road runner. Road runner is a bird which runs on the road and it eats reptile. Okay, what does a road runner eat? It eats reptile. Finch. Finch is another bird which eat eggs. So, here we come to the end of this chapter 12. Children, you can again watch my video if you have missed anything. Okay? So be good children, complete all your work in time. Thank you.